Hey everyone, Tim here from The Wonderful Life. I've got some really big news for the cruising space. I'm super excited to share some amazing news from the world of cruising. Celebrity Cruises just announced that they're making a big splash by launching their brand new river cruise brand, Celebrity River Cruises. That's right, starting this year, you'll be able to book a premium river cruise vacation with Celebrity. So here's the scoop. Celebrity has ordered 10 awesome new ships that are going to take you to some historic cities along the world's most iconic rivers, beginning in Europe. Pretty cool, right? Jason Liberty, the CEO of Royal Caribbean Group, said it best. We're thrilled to dive into the river cruise market. He mentioned that Celebrity is all about innovation and elevating your experience on the water, making sure that everyone, whether it's guests or travel partners, gets exactly what they expect and more from their adventures. And considering about half of their guests already are into river cruising or are planning to try it out, this makes perfect sense. Imagine sailing through picturesque cities, enjoying locally inspired dishes, and embarking on unique shore adventures, all while soaking in spectacular 360-degree views from the ship. It's an absolute dream. Laura Hodges-Bethke, president of Celebrity, added that Celebrity River Cruises is bringing the same top-notch quality we love from their Edge series ocean ships to their river ships. She talked about how they've redefined ocean cruising with their outstanding hospitality, delicious food, and stylish design. Now they're ready to do the same for river cruising, giving you itineraries packed with authentic experiences that you won't find anywhere else. So whether you're a seasoned cruiser or it's your first time venturing out on a river, get ready for a whole new level of adventure. This is going to be an incredible journey, and I can't wait to see what's in store. Until then, happy cruising, everyone.